Connect the HDMI output from the computer. Connect the VGA input with the monitor. You will need to supply power to the adapter if the monitor is still inactive. We have a micro USB cable with the adapter. Find the micro USB port on the adapter for power supply. Plug in the micro USB cable to the adapter. Power with the laptop or cell phone charger. Select the input source to VGA after you connect the monitor. The screen will flick a little before the monitor is settled. The external monitor will display the same content under the mirror mode. We can change the extend mode in the system display setting. You can have another monitor for your laptop in extend mode. Drag the content from your laptop to the external monitor. Please make sure the HDMI is fully plugged into the computer. Check the VGA port is fully connected. Also check the VGA is fully plugged in with the monitor. Double check with the power supply cable. Please be noted, you can only input from HDMI source to VGA monitors. It won't work the other way around. The monitor will be active once all the interfaces is fully connected. HDMI supports audio output. You can find the 3.5mm audio output jack in the adapter. Connect the speaker with the adapter via the audio output jack. And in the system sound setting to set the output device to HDMI. You can also use our adapter with Raspberry Pi, but you will need to add the code to the config file before you use it.